If you are a content creator looking for one powerful platform that can handle video creation, image generation, editing, and audio tools all in one place, then this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. Today, I am going to show you a creator-friendly AI platform that can completely change the way you create content. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Open your browser and search for FlexClip. Click on the first search result and open it. You can simply log in by Google or Facebook. Enter email and password. The dashboard will open like this. This is a very powerful and easy-to-use platform where you get all the tools required for video creation in one place. You'll find a wide variety of AI tools along with ready-made video templates that you can easily customize for your own content. Talking about AI tools, almost everything you need for content creation is available here. There are tools for image creation and editing, video generation and editing with trending AI models, and various audio generation tools as well. Let's start with the video generator. Here you get three main options: image to video, text to video, and different video effects. These tools can really take your content creation to the next level. First, I try the image to video generator. When it comes to models, you will find many of the trending AI video generation models available here. I select Google Veo 3.1 for now. Now I upload an image where the teacher is giving lecture to their students. In the prompt section, I simply enter, "The teacher is teaching the students," bright classroom lighting, realistic environment, educational atmosphere, detailed expressions, modern school setting, cinematic quality. I keep the aspect ratio 16:9 and select a duration of 4 seconds. You can also choose visibility settings, whether you want to share it publicly or keep it private. After setting everything, I click on Generate. After a few moments, the result is ready.
Therefore, the correct solution for this equation is 7, not 5.
You can see how an amazing and realistic video is created from a single image in just seconds. Now, let's try text to video. I type a simple prompt that a person sitting near a window while it's raining outside, looking out thoughtfully, soft natural lighting, and keep settings the same, and click on Generate. Again, you can see a realistic video created from just a prompt. You can edit it directly here or download it to your device. You can also add effects. Simply upload photo. Many effects are given select anyone you want. I am choosing squishy. Click on Generate. Now watch fantastic results. As mentioned earlier, there are also many tools for image generation and editing. Image to image, text to image, and photo editor. Try image to image. First, upload any image from your device. I am uploading this image of girl. You can simply convert it to anime. Painting 3D and more image styles whatever you want. I am choosing anime style. Below, you can enter prompt like natural glow, waving hairs. Select image count. I am choosing 2. Click on Generate. Now see how perfectly it has converted the real image into anime style. Now let's try text to image. First, choose the model you want to use. Most of the trending models are available here. I select Google Imaging 4 Ultra for now and type a prompt like waterfall in forest, peaceful atmosphere, and birds flying. You can also click on Inspire to get a random prompt. Then choose the image style. I am choosing Digital 3D and keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. I set the image count to 4, keep visibility private, and click on Generate. Within seconds, 4 high-quality images are generated according to the prompt. They look very realistic, with no distortion or quality issues. Now is Photo Editor. Here you can edit any photo you want. Select the model. Upload image you want to edit. This is an image of girl. Now for prompt, Type change the background to a professional office setting with modern decor and subtle lighting. Change attire to a stylish office dress that conveys professionalism and elegance. Ensure the subject is standing still in a confident pose with appropriate posture. Click Generate. And perfectly, the task is done in just seconds. In the Audio Tools section, you'll find various features that make content creation easier. One of the most useful tools is the sound effects generator. You can create any sound effect you want and use it in your videos. For example, I type keyboard sound and click Generate. Within a few seconds, a sound clip is ready. You can download it and use it in your content. So, this is FlexClip, a platform where you get all kinds of AI tools that are extremely useful for content creators today. The link is in the description. Make sure to try it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.